All right guys, Garrett here with Deranged, and today's video is about finishing up the Overland trailer as much as I can before our upcoming trip. So stay tuned. We have a trip coming up real soon where we are all three getting together, going out for at least 3 days, 2 nights, and that will really tell us how well our overlanding trailers held up. But as you know, unfortunately, Dave won. He beat Joe and I, and yeah, that's the end of the story. He beat us both. Don't know why exactly, but he beat us. Before we jump too much farther into this video, I have to go over something that I thought was pretty cool. So as you know, I've installed the Viper machine accessories on my KRX along with the shift gate. So this is a full setup. And I do realize that not everybody wants to spend the money on the full setup shift gate. So I had Viper send me something so I can show you on this video that there is another option, and you can get the actual shift gate itself, just the shift gate. And there it is. So anyways, there's a shift gate. You can find this on our website. And it's just this piece, and then you just use all the other stock stuff with it. But you can actually find this shift gate, which I think is one of the nicest built ones on the market right now on our website. So if you're looking for a shift gate and don't want to spend the money on the one that I put in my KRX, the full setup, which I get, you know, stuff gets pricey, but you still want the shift gate, you can grab this sucker off our website. Also, for you Terex 800 fans, I had him come by and bring a handle as well. So there's the handle. And that will go on your Terex 800. And I need to check. Maybe it would go on the KRX too, I'm not sure. But if you want a sweet handle setup, you can find that on our website as well and order it there. But yeah, check out the shift gate, just the shift gate for a great price on our website. Just go to derangedoffroad.com and check it out. All right, so let's jump into this. I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown of what's gonna be going in this trailer. I'm still waiting on a few parts, but this video is basically gonna be me installing a few of these items. And it was kind of funny because some of the comments that came through were things that I was ready for. It was just outside of budget. So I have a budget to stay under $2,000. I've bought all of this, and some of it I've actually already had left over that I'm going to be using. But let's check it out. And this is what I'm going to be putting in this trailer to make it a all-around overland camping experience that will hopefully be easy, organized, and will provide as much convenience of home type living as possible, you can get out on the trail. So anyways, as you can see here, we got a lot of stuff. I got interior lights. All this will be lit up at night when I want, so you can see inside when you get stuff out. I've got battery connections, fuse box, I forget what these things are called, auxiliary type on and off. So the reason I have this one, well, for one, my dad had it and it was free. But for two, it has an off, 1 battery, 2 batteries are all. I am actually gonna be only running 1 battery for now, and then I'll up it to 2 if I need to. I've got weather stripping to go inside these doors to seal them off even that much more. Some silicone for something else I'm gonna be doing. I got paint. I'll be doing a couple little designs down the side. I got the battery box. I got a really cool fold down faucet, so you guys know what's coming there. Also a pump. I got secure things to go in. That will be ratcheting down each side and all that kind of stuff there. Water tank, solar panels, a soap type dispenser that's gonna be built in, and the battery. And this is a deep cycle battery. I bought this one from Costco. They have a pretty good price. It's a marine RV type battery, so I might end up going with 2 of these if one doesn't cut it after our trip. I'll just see how it goes. But I will have solar charging that. So basically, that's most of the stuff. Also have the stove set up that I'm gonna actually finish, so you don't have to, pull out the table every time when you stop. That was meant to be done before the video and didn't get done. I've got, I don't know if I showed you here, of course, battery box. I got the spout to fill up the water tank and also a drain system. I'm waiting on rocker switches and the fuse box I'm actually gonna use to hook all this stuff up. But the video will be showing me hooking everything up actually right here. That's what this compartment was for batteries. And then also I have this whole setup here for the fuse box and everything. So I'm gonna build something a little bit off of this that's gonna hold all of that, those switches and everything right here up front. And I'm hoping to have it done before we go on our trip real soon. So we'll see. I feel like I have projects everywhere. Everywhere. My next step, basically, what I want to do to this trailer first and get done, hopefully most of it in this video, is the wiring. So the batteries are going to go here, and I got it set up to fit these boxes. So like I said, I'm going to install the one, get it all done, and if I feel like I need the two, I've got a second box I can put in here, and I'll run dual batteries. But honestly, I don't want to spend another I don't want to spend another $100 on a battery to do that if one ends up doing a pretty good job with the solar panels I have. So here's the plan. I built this on an angle for a reason. Yeah, it looks a little bit better on an angle to have some character, but I built it on an angle for these solar panels. And my goal is to be able to place the solar panels here like this in a way that hopefully while I'm driving behind the UTV, it's catching sun. And it's not like this where water can build up on it and mud and dust, whatever. They're gonna get dirty either way. But this way, if water gets on it, it will literally like run off. So I'm gonna have one here and actually one there. There'll be two that will sit here wherever I end up putting them. And then I'll wire them through and into the battery to be trickle charging the battery at all times. So these will easily bolt right onto here, be really easy to do. So now I'm gonna get the electrical stuff hooked up. So we're gonna have outside lights, we're gonna have interior lights, maybe some ground lights. I've got enough for that, but this is what I decided to go with. I did show you a little bit earlier fuse box, but actually, as you know, we sell nightlight stuff on our website, and overall that budget line of nightlight stuff actually works really, really well. So what I decided to go with is this instead. So I actually have a whole switch panel set up, and it comes with a 12-volt cigarette lighter, the indicator of what I'm running, voltmeter, and then also 2 USBs, and then 4 rockers that I have labeled that just pop on like that. We're going to be hooking up some of these kind of lights, and then also some other stuff that I showed you for inside, and this is what I'm going to use. I'm just going to use an inline fuse to connect this to the battery, and we should be good. And then I'll also have a battery disconnect, so that will take care of that and turn everything off when not in use. So we'll go ahead and start getting that wired up. I got to build a little box to hold that, and then also start running the wires around in this trailer, which will be really easy, and we'll just go from there. right, so here you go. $12 lights. I'll put a link in the description below of the lights as well for Amazon. It came with 8, Nightlight brand of course, but I only use 6. Low power LEDs. They'll go into a switch at night when you're out and you need to see all your gear. You will be set. Real quick. So you can see they're right up in there. And the nice part about this trailer with the wood, I'm able to drill through kind of like on a house and wire everything in real quick. So there you go. I think it turned out pretty dang nice and pretty bright. All right guys, so that's about it of the video. I'm not going to show everything. I'm going to work on this in the next couple weeks, so it's ready to go. So stay tuned. April 9th we are heading out on the trails for 3 days, 2 nights with all of our trailers, all of us together, and we're going to see how they do. So I didn't want to show everything, but quick walk around. Water tank is going in here. Kitchen area will be there. Cooking area will be here. How you guys saw it before in the video wasn't really how I planned on having it done. I had these rails in the video and I've got plans for that, so it'll be quick and easy. Table goes there. Of course I got the interior lighting. I plan on some exterior lighting in the front and in the back. And cargo area here where I'll put some stuff. I'm probably going to end up painting this with a thick material like I have on the trailer, and also sealing that all up so it's good. And then, I don't know if you can see them, they're kind of underneath the light, but as you see, I already put the new tires and rims on. Makes a huge difference. Would have made a huge difference in the video if I had them, to the look of the trailer. I'm going to be removing these after all, as I'm getting fenders to put on this. And I do have some plans to dress up the outside just a hair. Not anything crazy, but I did have plans to do it. Just wasn't in the budget. It is now. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. It was a great time doing these trailers. We all came out with pretty good trailers that we all wanted to have personally. And that's all that matters. Congratulations to Dave. He won. But we're going to go out and show you guys on the trail what we have set up, to see if you like certain trailers better than others once we get out there and actually use them. So basically I just wanted to do this video of the different things that I was going to be throwing at the trailer. Now I'm going to get on it, get working on it, so you guys will see it in our ride vid. So just remember, April 9th we're heading out, and then we'll have the actual video drop probably not too far after that. So anyways, make sure you guys, whatever you pack in, you pack out. Make sure you hit our Rocky Mountain link in the description below if you want to buy something from Rocky Mountain. That helps us out. And also check out our website. We are always trying to add new and great things on there that we've been using and testing ourselves. But until next time, this is Garrett with Deranged Off-Road, and thanks for watching.